each other from here every day with program. Like every single morning I go there and play.
I won't be playing while I'm
Your Excellency, the Australian Deputy High Commissioner to Fiji, Mr. Paul Wilson, the permanent secretaries, coordinators, coaches, the representatives from the national sporting organizations, participants, ladies and gentlemen, Bula Vinaka, and a very good morning to you all. I'm delighted to be invited to this event to jointly launch the new Pacific Sports Development Program, Team Up, under the kind initiative of the Australian government, led by their High Commission here in Suva. Ladies and gentlemen, our various policy initiatives, such as the National Development Plan and the Sustainable Development Goals, regard sports very highly as an important enabler. For us in the Pacific, as it has throughout the world, it has proven to be a language that we can all speak, as it brings our different communities together in an inclusive way. During this global pandemic, we have seen how sports has continued to contribute to our wellness and health, even in testing times. Just recently, ladies and gentlemen, we saw how sports brings us all together in hard times. When a video of the farewell and thank you song at the end of their 14-day quarantine in Queensland, Australia, by the Fijian Rugby League team. The song sung from the balconies of Quarantine Hotel has moved people all over the world and showcased the best of Fiji and its people through sports and its sporting heroes. As Fijians, we have also witnessed the first-hand how it can bring us together and set our differences aside, like to 2016 Rio Gold by the Fiji men's sevens team, Super Rugby matches, and International Weightlifting Junior Championship, just to name a few. It is fitting that the Team Up program is run by the Australian government, for there are few things dearer to the Australians than their sports. They are among high achievers and world leaders in all aspects of sports development and participation. And Fiji has always benefited greatly from the powerhouse in sports that is our friendly neighbor. And we look forward to their continued support in sports development in Fiji. Ladies and gentlemen, the Team Up program will not only benefit the sporting community, but it has a big impact on the livelihoods of each Fijian. In sports, it is not only about the technical knowledge that is primary concern, but the human development of every sports person, whether it is be an athlete, official, administrator, or a fan of a particular sport. We extend our appreciation to the Australian government in taking this initiative. And Fiji is lucky to be one of the 6 countries in the region to benefit from the Team Up Partnership Program. Through the advocacy of ending violence against women, the National Rugby League of Fiji, through its Australian counterparts, have implemented the Voice Against Violence program, which is an education of rugby league participants and communities on domestic issues and individual roles to stop violence. Ladies and gentlemen, the Team Up program supports a number of Australian sport partners in Fiji with a strong focus on gender and disability inclusion, ensuring that women and girls can enjoy all the benefits of sports. This also strengthens Fiji's advocacy on sports as a basic human right. Ladies and gentlemen, capacity building is one of the key areas in the sports development, and the Fijian government will continue to focus on this so that we build up more sports partners for the Team Up program in years to come with a greater impact here in Fiji. The Team Up platform is part of the ongoing Fijian government initiatives through my ministry. Ladies and gentlemen, the Team Up program through the Australian government serves through its support of the 6 sporting codes mentioned earlier on to add to our efforts to maximize the benefits of investing in sports and addressing the rich contribution sport can make on the nations and the nation building. I take this opportunity to thank all the hardworking stakeholders who are taking the Team Up program. This is an invaluable partnership between Fiji and Australia, and it speaks well of our long-standing relationship. And long may it continue and strengthen. I thank you all for your time and patience this morning, and I wish the Team Up program all success. May God bless us all. Binaka.
Maybe one with everyone putting the props up.
One informal one.
Yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect.